What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to show you guys 3 easy ways to style your Apple Watch, and this is for men. It's quite simple. All you really do need is 3 different watch bands and you're all set to go. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm a lot and will push my content out to more people, and so we can get to our next goal of 10,000 subscribers. Anyway, let's dive right in. The first look is the sports style. I have the Apple Watch SE Nike edition, which came with the sports band, and this is the default band to wear when wearing chill clothes, or if you're out exercising or out in the gym, or if you have a gym in your basement. The MKBHD merch, rocking both the MKBHD t-shirt and MKBHD windbreaker with a pair of Nike joggers. Shout out to MKBHD. The star of the show here is the Nike Sport Band Apple Watch. Model and sport band really doesn't matter too much here. Choose it to your liking and whatever you prefer. This is the easiest and, I guess you can say, chillest style. The next style is the casual look. So I've got a blue and gray checkered blazer with a beige turtleneck sweater and gray pants underneath. The Apple Watch here is what should attract the most attention. Accessories for men are super important. Swap the sports band for a Milanese loop and you should be all good to go. Now, if you take a look, the Milanese loop, the band, same color as the watch. It's black. The easiest way, obviously, is to match the color of your bands, like I said, to the color of your watch. But you can spruce things up too. Also, it's important to note the color of my watch face. It's a California watch face with a beige color that matches my outfit. The final style is the classy look. Literally, take a look. Suit, sweater vest, tie. It's a checkered navy blue suit with a pink button-down shirt and a red tie with a red sweater vest. This is just one of many classy styles. Now, I tend to prefer blue over black when it comes to suits, but everyone has their own preference. You can go with a gray suit, you can go with a brown suit, it doesn't matter. The Apple Watch also stands out with a stainless steel band that matches the color of the watch as well. Take a look at the California watch face as I changed the color from beige to blue, which also matches the color of the suit. And also something to remember, if you don't like a stainless steel band, then go for a leather band. You can go for a black leather, you can go for a brown leather band, or you can even find a navy leather band to go with whatever suit, whatever matches your suit color. So if you don't like stainless steel, a leather band is also something to look at when you're dressing up classy. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. This was a different type of video on the channel, so if you did enjoy, let me know in the comments down below, and if you would like to see something more like this, integrating tech with fashion, it's something new, just let me know in the comments down below. 3 bands honestly does the trick. You can opt for more bands, like I said, like a leather band, which should also spruce things up. There is one thing that I want to add to these styles though. Mix and match and try to style in the way that makes you most comfortable. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.